All right, welcome back to another portfolio update. The market is closed as of right now. We had a bad day. I'm sure all of you probably had a bad day today as well. After hours is moving up just a little bit, so we dropped almost 800 for the day. For the week, down 1147. 1 month, we're still up at 1300. 3 months, 1564. Year to date, which what are we at here? We're at the end of May. So we're up 2271. 1 year mark, 5106. And overall, 40% at 14,679, which is not bad. All right, so this is kind of an update on the portfolio, and I also wanted your opinion. So first, let me get into that. What do you guys think if I set up a newsletter? So this is not going to be a weekly or daily. I don't know what it's going to be. Probably every other week. So the newsletter is going to be tied maybe to this account somehow, where I just write whatever I think is relevant to saving money, making money, dividends, stock, maybe options, stocks, ideas, business ideas, real estate. What do you guys think? Just a small newsletter, nothing crazy, maybe just to see how many of you are interested in that. I might start a newsletter. So if this video is at least a few weeks old and you're watching this, there might be a link in the description to the newsletter. So let me know if you guys are interested in a newsletter. I've been thinking about doing that. So leave in the comments if you think that's a good idea. All right, so let me give you guys an update. I don't know if you guys were watching last week. GameStop was out of control. So let me show you guys what happened with my GameStop. I had 131 shares. Now I have 200 shares. So if you guys don't know, it jumped up to like 80 bucks. It's gonna say 49 here, but I remember it was pre-market, it was $80. So I had 131 shares and I had sold an option at like 16 bucks. Let's get into the details. I'll show you guys what I did. I should have waited, but whatever, I lost out. All right, so I'll show you guys just a really quick recap. April 5th, right there, I sold a put $1,200 worth of 100 shares at $12. It exercised on the 5th. So I had sold it right here, 15 bucks. So I made 15 there. Then it exercised, so I owned 131 now. That was 100 shares. So then I bought a few right there, purchased a few more shares. This is before the craziness. And I bought another share. They were dropping. I think this is one share. Yeah, see, it was at $10.60. So then I decided to sell a call on those 100 shares that I got at $12. I sold it for 16, made a little bit of money there, 7 bucks. And then everything went crazy. So as it was climbing up, I'm like, okay, 18 bucks. My average cost was a lot less. I sold my 31 shares at $18, made some money. So I still had 100 shares, which were on call. So I try to roll it. You guys can see I roll, cancel, cancel, cancel. It wasn't going through until I was able to roll a little bit of it. Wait, was this a roll here? Oh no, I sold a put at $25 was the strike price, and I made 80 bucks right there on this one, $81. So then I was able to roll further out for $17, made a little bit of money. Then my $25 put was assigned, so now I own 200 shares, average cost down to 20 bucks, about $20. And then today I try to roll this one again, the 17, I rolled it to $21 back all the way to July. So now I have one call and I own 100 shares. So I don't know what's going to happen with GameStop. I'll show you guys. Average cost is 2023. I still have 200 shares. 100 of those shares are out on call. So if it hits anything above that by that date, which is July 19th, above 21, those will get called away. But I'm holding 100 shares. Total down right now is 336. I think we were pretty good for the day, but just after, today was not a good day. But so that's what's going on with GameStop on my side. Sorry if that was a little bit complicated, but sold a few calls, got assigned. Oh, I'm sorry, sold a few puts, got assigned, and sold a call, and just kind of pushed the call up. So that's where I'm at. If you guys don't understand, let me know. I can make a detailed video on that. Let's get into see. You guys can see everything's red pretty much. So it's kind of a crappy day for me. So let's get into the dividend income that's coming in for the month. The goal is to break what 300, I think, every month now, and hitting up, getting closer to 400 hopefully. So we had AT&T, Verizon, JEPQ, JEPI, Tesla or TSLY. So those are all big money coming in. The Microsoft one, which is a yield max as well, AGNC, AbbVie, Stag, Realty Income, Main Street, and I did add some Realty Income today, a couple of shares. Main Street PSEC, and then SPHD, ARR, QYLD, and that's it for May, and then we have some in June. So what I've been doing, if you guys haven't seen the last videos, I've been kind of selling out of some positions and building up the cash reserves. So we're gonna keep doing that. Oh, another thing I did last week was with AMC. I do own 127 shares, average cost 574, but let me show you guys. I think let's go to history really quick. I think I rolled this one too, but I did sell a call. Or was it? Oh, that was a split. Yeah, I was assigned last month. Oh, okay. I thought I made more money on it. I don't remember, but I had sold a call here and made $36 on 8th, and then I rolled it, but that's going to expire this week. So we'll see what we do with AMC. I have to get rid of it. I don't think they're going anywhere. And let me know what you guys think. I know this video was all over the place. My main question is, what do you think of the newsletter? Should I do a newsletter? Are you guys interested in just thoughts, ideas, saving money, making money? Just little things like that. Stocks, obviously, dividends. It's not going to be a huge newsletter on a bunch of junk. It's just something to keep up to date. You know what I'm doing. If I don't put up a video, you guys can see that newsletter. Hopefully, it's informative. That's the point of it. Give you guys information, ideas on real estate, stocks, investing, saving money, cutting debt, stuff like that. So put it in the comments. I want to know if you guys are interested, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Thanks.